Good morning students. So in today's video class I'll teach you about present perfect continuous tense. So the present perfect continuous tense is used for an action which began at some time in the past and is still continuing. For example, he has been sleeping for 5 hours. Next one is they have been playing since 4 o'clock. So now I'll tell you about the formation of sentences in this tense. So first of all, for the identification of this tense, you must know about the helping verb of this tense. So in present perfect continuous tense, helping verb is has been and have been, and first form of the verb plus ing is used in the main verb. Because there are two helping verbs in this tense, has been and have been. So has been helping verb is used with singular number subject and have been helping verb is used with plural number subject. And in this tense, point of time, for point of time, since is used, and for period of time, for is used. So now about the formation of sentences in affirmative sentence. So you must have learned one thing, the structure of making sentence. Means without learning the structure of framing the sentence, you cannot make a sentence correct. So first of all, in every type of sentences, first of all learn structure of making sentence. So in affirmative sentence of present perfect continuous tense, sentence making structure is first use subject, then helping verb has been or have been according to the subject. If subject is singular number, then use has been. If subject is plural number, then use helping verb have been. Then first form of the verb plus ing, after that object, and then since or for after that time. For example, I have been waiting for you since 7 o'clock. So I have been waiting for you since 7 o'clock. So I here is subject, and that is plural number subject. With plural number subject, have been helping verb is used, and then verb first form plus ing, waiting for you is object, and since 7 o'clock. Next, it has been drizzling since morning. So it is helping verb here, and singular number. It is subject here, and has been is used with singular number subject is, and drizzling is first form of the verb plus ing, and then since morning. Next one is Sudha has been knitting sweater for a week. So Sudha is singular number subject, has been is used as helping verb, knitting is first form of the verb plus ing, sweater is object, and for a week. So week here shows as time, and for is used for showing the time. So to show the time, there are two words here, since and for. So point of time since is used with definite time, such as, so what is definite time? Such as morning, since morning, since evening, since 7 o'clock, since 2019 means before any year, before the name of days such as Monday, before the name of month such as January, February, March, April, etc. And it also shows the time, definite time, yesterday. So before these words we should use since. And period of time, for shows period of time, and for is used with indefinite time, such as 2 hours means for 2 hours, for a week, for 4 years, for some time, for several days. So this time means these words show the time but indefinite time, and these words show the time but definite time. These words show the definite time. So for the definite time we use since, that is called point of time, and for is used for point of time. These words shows the point of time. So next, negative sentences means what is the rule of making the negative sentence. So the structure of framing the sentence in negative sentence is use subject, then helping verb has been or have been, after that not for the negative, and then first form of the verb plus ing, and then object, after that since or for, and then time. So in negative sentence you must have to pay attention here, because means in that tense in which there are two words in the helping verb such as has been. So in this helping verb there are two words has been. So in the negative sentence we have to use not in the middle of these two words, such as have not been or has not been. So not for the negative, not is used between these two words, has been or have been. Next, first form of the verb, then object, and after that since or for, then time. For example, she has not been sleeping since 6 o'clock. So here helping verb is has been, but not is used just in the middle of these two words, has and been. So in negative sentence this point is noteworthy. She has not been sleeping since 6 o'clock. Next example is they have not been coming to school since last Monday. So they here is plural number subject. Have been is used here as helping verb with plural number subject, and not is for the negative, and coming is first form of the verb plus ing. To school is object, and since here shows the time last Monday, because last Monday it is name of the days. So before the name of the days we use since. Next one is interrogative sentence, and in interrogative sentence there are two types of interrogative sentence, beginning with helping verb and next is beginning with question word. So interrogative sentence first we will begin uh, with beginning with helping verbs, means interrogative sentence beginning with helping verb. So what is the structure of making the sentence in interrogative sentence? So structure of making sentence is use helping verb first, has been or have been. So as it has been told to you, if in the helping verb there are two words, then in negative sentence use not just in the middle of these two words. So in interrogative sentence also between has and been we have to use the subject. So use the subject between has and been or have and been. So in the structure, has or have plus subject plus been plus first form of the verb and then object, after that since or for, then time. For example, has she been living in this city for 2 years? So has been is not used here, but here it is used has she been. So subject is used in interrogative sentence. Subject is used between the two words of this helping verb has and been. So has she been living in this city for 2 years? So has been is singular number subject, is helping verb used with singular number subject. And living is first form of the verb plus ing. In this city is object, and for is used here for the time. 2 years shows the uh, period of time, because before the period of time we use for. Next one is, have the birds been chirping in the garden since morning? So have been is used here for the subject, plural number subject, the birds, and the birds plural number subject is used between the word have and been. So have the birds been chirping in this garden since morning? Next, interrogative sentence beginning with question word. See, here it has been told to you that interrogative sentence beginning with helping verb, and next interrogative sentence beginning with question word. So structure of making the sentence interrogative sentence: first use question word, then helping verb has been or have been, but subject will be used between has and been, or have and been. Then first form of the verb plus ing, after that object, then since or for, after that time. For example, why has he been wasting his time for several days? So why is used here as a question word. Has been is used here as a helping verb with singular number subject, and singular number subject he is used between the two words of this helping verb has and been. Wasting is first form of the verb plus ing. His time is object, and for several days, several days is used here for period of time. So before period of time several days, for is used. Next one, how long have you been waiting for the train? So how long is used as a question word. Have been is used for used as helping verb with subject you, and waiting is used here as first form of the verb plus ing, and for waiting for the train. So how long here shows the time also. Next one, interrogative negative sentences. So here the structure of the formation of interrogative negative sentence, which begins with helping verb. So structure is, first use has or have plus subject plus not plus been, then first form of the verb and ing, after that object, and then since or for, and after that time. So in interrogative negative sentence, not is used after the subject and between the two words have and been. So between the words helping verb have and been, it has been used the subject and not both. So for example, have I not been traveling for 4 hours? So have been is helping verb, and between these two words of the helping verb, subject and not is also used. And then first form of the verb travel plus ing, after that for is used here for the period of time, and period of time is 4 hours. Next one, has the gardener not been watering the plants since morning? So has been here used as a subject, but between these two words of the helping verb, the gardener, which is subject, and not for the negative is also been used. And watering is first form of the verb plus ing. The plants is used here as an object, and since is used here for showing the uh, point of time, morning. Next one, beginning with question words, means interrogative sentence beginning with question word. So the structure of forming the interrogative negative sentence: first use question word, after that has or have, then subject, then not, then been, then object, and after that since or for, then time, and at last question mark. For example, why have you not been playing chess for 2 weeks? So why is used here as a question word, and have been helping verb is used here with the subject you and not for the interrogative negative sentence. And playing is used here as first form of the verb plus ing. Chess is used here as an object, and for shows the point of time, and point of time is 2 weeks. Next one is why has he not been writing book for 2 months? So why is used here as a question word. Has been is used here as helping verb, and between has and been subject he and negative not is also used here. Then writing, write plus ing, and book is used here as an object, and for shows here point of time 2 months. So in this way it has been told to you about the formation and structure of forming the sentences in present perfect continuous tense. So you must have note down all the tenses which have been told to you in present tense. So in the present tense you have been told four types of present tense. First one is present indefinite tense or simple present, second present continuous tense, third present perfect tense, and fourth present perfect continuous tense. So in this way you have been told four types of present tense. Now exercise of present perfect continuous tense has also been given here for you. uh, so in the exercise you have to fill in the blanks with correct form of verbs given in brackets by using present perfect continuous tense. Sentence first, I dash, in bracket there is verb work, then in this factory for 10 years. So now you have to fill this blank by using present perfect continuous tense. So with helping with subject I, which is plural number subject, with plural number subject which helping verb is used. So it has been told to you in the detail of the tenses. So you must have used helping verb with I subject, and then which form of the verb is used, you have to fill these blanks. Now second sentence, it dash rain heavily since morning. So with the subject it, which helping verb will be used here, you have to pay attention to it, and you have to use the correct form of the verb rain also here. Third one is dash the dogs, again dash bark since midnight, and it is interrogative mark of interrogation here. So it is interrogative sentence with the subject dogs, which is plural number subject. With plural number subject, which helping verbs should be used here, you have to put it here, and which form of the verb will be used here, you have to put it here. Next one, Raju dash not waste his time for a year. So Raju is helping verb. Raju is singular number subject, and with singular number subject which helping verb will be used here, you have to pay attention to it, and you have to make a negative sentence because in the bracket not waste is given. Next one, students dash not attend the school since last Monday. So in this blanks, according to the subject students, you have to fill the helping verbs and main correct form of the verb attend here. Now how long dash the patient, again dash, in bracket there is not take medicine. So question mark. So you have to make here interrogative negative sentence by using correct form of the verb. Next one is dash the hunters, again dash, in bracket not hunt birds for 2 days, question mark. So hunters is your plural number subject. With plural number subjects, which helping verb will you use, you will put here, and which correct form of the verb hunt have to use it, you put it here. Next one, you dash, in bracket there is verb live here for 6 months. So with Plural number subject you. Which helping verb will you use? You will have to put here. Next, where dash you? Again dash play for 4 hours. You will have to use the correct form of the words with helping verb. Now last sentence, dash he. Again dash not write in the bracket an essay for half an hour. So it is interrogative negative sentence. So with helping with subject he, singular number subject he, which helping verb will be used here, you have to put it here, and with that helping verb, which form of the verb will be used here, you have to put it here. So this is all about the present perfect continuous tense and also about the present tense. So all the 4 types have been told to you. You have to note it down in your notebook very carefully, and if you feel any problem in solving the exercise or in the detail of the sentences, so consult.